How's it going, guys, and welcome back to Dad Makes Dough. And in today's video I'm going to show you a cool mobile app that you can download from the App Store today and start making money, and you can start playing games and getting rewarded for your time spent. This isn't no stupid game where you have to grind out for 10 years to get 300 points or nothing like that. This is an app and it's called GameStick. So what GameStick is a mobile app that enables you to play games and enter contests, and it pays you for your time spent and time played, not just for how good you are at the game. It doesn't matter about your skill level, it pays you for the time you're grinding that out. You're able to earn XP and earn something called gems, which is an in-game currency that you can then redeem for Uber vouchers, Amazon vouchers. You know, you also get XP, which enables you to unlock better prizes in the store, better things that you can redeem, such as like phones and consoles, but we won't get into that in this video. This is all about you can grind it out and get Amazon vouchers and Uber vouchers. So what it is, so if you go over to the App Store and you search GameStick, should look something a little bit like, you go over and see GameStick, you can download it, or if you want to use my link in the description, I get a little bit of help affiliate wise, but at no extra cost to you. So if you want to click that one, and then you'll get started with 2,600 gems as a startup bonus. And judging by how much it costs to redeem vouchers and Amazon vouchers, you're pretty much just under halfway getting there. About a quarter of the way there. The rest of it, you can just start playing those games. So in the app, you will see loads of different top grossing games that you can play. It's not just boring games. So you've got Bubble Shoot Blitz, you've got Knife Blitz, which is my personal favourite, and then you've got like 8-Ball Blitz. You've got plenty of different games you can play, and what happens is you can either go in and enter contests where you put into like a pool of gems, and you might be able to win those gems. But not only that, if you've played it for 10 minutes, you'll get gems. If you played it for 5 minutes, you'll get gems. If you play it for 1 minute, you'll get gems. You get so many lives in these games. It's such a great way, it's essentially passive without it being passive. It's something that if you're sat on the bus, or if you just sat at work on your break, or even if you're working from home, you're a little bit bored, you're on hold to a customer, just give it a bash out, give it a play, and then you can start redeeming these vouchers. You can get those Amazon gift cards. Now, one thing that I personally love about GameStick is it's not skill-based. It doesn't, me personally, I'm not the best gamer in the world. I can sit and I can play this game over and over and over and over again, and I'm constantly gaining XP, I'm constantly gaining gems. It's so much better than if you look at, you know, other games or other apps in which claim to make money. You know, from experience on Dad Makes Dough's channel, on my channel, I only ever post apps, services, or things that actually work and things that I've actually tried and tested myself. There's none of this, oh well, this might not work, this might not work. You know, I've tried it. You know, you can literally see how easy it is for me to go and redeem it. So if you look, I had like 12,000 gems at one point. So I literally went over to the store, I clicked on store, I wanted a £5 Amazon gift card, clicked redeem, and then what will happen is you'll get a text to your phone that you've signed up on your account with, and it'll give you a link and the code to then redeem it. And it also works the same with your Uber gift card. Literally, click redeem, it'll send it, confirm your text, click it, click redeem, then go straight over and input your phone number. You'll get that text, you'll get that code, and you can redeem it on your actual Amazon account. This is literally happening before your eyes. This is how much I can tell you that it actually works, because I've now got Uber credits, and not only that, I've also got Amazon gift cards which I can spend on whatever I want. And this is just from me sitting on my lunch break or sitting in traffic just playing a game. There's so many pretty cool games on there, and they're quite mundane games where you don't have to think too much. It's just fun, back in the old days when you used to first get the iPhone. So if you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out GameStick. Such a good app, and click the link in my bio, click the link in my description to help me out. It's at no extra cost to yourself. So if you did like this video, smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.